We've also now learned a Norton Commons man accused of possessing and then sharing child porn is a social media influencer with a significant following. Wave News reporter Fernando Garcia Franceschini joins us now after having met neighbors, Fernando, who learned of this arrest.
Yeah, Jose, a source close to the investigation has confirmed to us Michael Booth goes by Mr. Crafty Pants on social media. Most of his work focuses on arts and crafts tutorials using smart cutting machines. He has a huge online following, more than 500,000 YouTube subscribers and more than 250,000 followers on Facebook and Instagram combined. We spoke to some of his neighbors in Norton Commons today. They tell us seeing him get arrested on child porn charges has been a wake-up call for them. To hundreds of thousands of people around the world, Michael Booth is Mr. Crafty Pants, a social media influencer who creates fun and lighthearted DIY videos.
Let's get crafty, baby.
All of his videos have thousands of views, but to many in Norton Commons, he was their neighbor, a neighbor whose family, Laura Nash, says kept mostly to themselves.
They had great decorations, holiday decorations on their house.
But neighbors might be looking at the house with the holiday decorations differently now. Nash's Ring camera video shows several police cars parked right outside Booth's house on Wednesday, and the moment police knock on his door. Booth is now facing charges of distributing and possessing child pornography. Booth's arrest report reveals the images were shared at least 15 times.
It feels like a gut punch. It feels devastating. It makes you feel really vulnerable.
Nash says she immediately asked her children if they had interacted with Booth. They hadn't, but she says this has been a wake-up call for her community, saying it's hard to feel safe anywhere nowadays.
I know that he followed a bunch of my friends online, and so it's worrying to me to wonder what he may have been viewing of their life.
Booth appeared in court today. The judge issued a $100,000 bond. If Booth were to post that bond, he'll be placed on home incarceration and won't be allowed any access to the internet. He's due back in court on October 31st. Fernando Garcia Franceschini, Wave.
Better at millstone. Be hung around your neck. And you be cast into the sea.
Now facing charges of distributing and possessing child pornography. Booth's arrest.
You're under arrest for crimes against children.
I'm driving down the dusty road in a dirty Cadillac. I light another cigarette, dressed head to toe in black. And when you see me screaming down that road, get down on your knees and pray you've never
Trusted you. Never trust a pedophile.
Now facing charges of distributing and possessing child pornography. Booth's arrest report reveals the images were shared at least 15 times.